Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside the YouTube app, sign in and tap your profile. Once done, go straight to Settings, then Privacy and Data, because that's where recommendation controls live. Make sure Android settings are nearby. You will toggle app permissions next. You want to stop personalization first, so clear watch history and pause watch and search history here. These steps remove training signals, and that immediately reduces new personalized recommendations, while you continue to harden controls. Now you disable personalization sources. Pause both watch history and search history, and confirm clearing each record to reset what YouTube thinks you want. Once paused, go back to Privacy and Data and turn off ads personalization and any connected Google activity controls you see. These feed recommendation models. Next, in YouTube settings, go to Notifications and Subscriptions to limit push suggestions. Doing this reduces both feed and notification-driven recommendations, which means fewer unwanted videos appearing. Finish by using incognito mode or signing out for non-personal viewing. This prevents new signals from being recorded. Actively block channels and use the three-dot menu on videos to choose Not Interested and tell us why. Those direct signals train your feed faster than waiting. Make sure to restrict account sync in Android settings if you share the device. If recommendations persist, reinstall the YouTube app, revoke and regrant permissions, and double-check that history is truly paused. That usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.